Hello everybody, so I'm going to show you how to make some easy, brilliant paper planes. These are so easy. I'm going to show you how to make one sample, really simple one, but with one extra step, you can make it so much better. I'm going to try and put this one up here. Right, all you need to do, fold it exactly in half. Okay, this is not exactly in half. Corner to corner, corner to corner, and to flatten it out. That's pretty good. So you should have something like this. Yeah. Then you're going to do is fold down the corner. But you want to make sure nice and pointy at the corner. Right. Right. Alright, same thing again. Fold down the corner on the other side. Then you should have something like this that does not look like a paper plane. Here's how you make it come to life. Fold down the wing like that, okay? But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to fold down like this. So it's got like a very short body here. So you have bigger wings, which then just repeat it on the other side. Bigger wings and a smaller body. Lift. I'm gonna fix it. And look at that. That's a brilliant plane, that. Yeah. Right, now I'm going to show you how to turn something like this into something much cooler with just one extra step, I think. So we're just going to repeat the process at the start. Fold it corner to corner. Right, yep. Corner to corner. And fold down the corners to make the tip. Yep. Oh. So we have this. But now you're going to take the top bit here and then fold it down again onto so it's like this. It's hard to film this. Yeah, right. Then you're just going to do the same on the other side. You've got this, and then you're going to fold it down again on itself, like this. So you should have something like this. Then last bit's the same, or you can do it differently. What way should I do it? Ooh, I'm gonna do it differently. Or well, no, I'll just do it the same and just fold her down. Every time it will come out differently. So don't be annoyed if you don't get something the same as me. Look at that. Okay, I did not mean to do that. Sorry. I'm gonna fix it off camera. Oh dear. There we are. Would you look at that? So from from something like this to this. Right? That's all from me. It's TNR. Please remember to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about these videos because I would really like to get 50 subscribers before Christmas. Go watch some more of my videos and well, yeah, that's about it. Cheerio, folks. See you. Bye.